what do we say is they are also known as your false fungi. And we'll also see this is the only group which is believed to give rise to fungi. So we believe that the fungi basically is originated from slime mold only. Now, if we are talking about this particular group, they are found near decaying twigs and leaf. Okay, so they are found near dead and decaying material. They are saprophytic in nature and perform phagotropic nutrition. Phagotropic means they will what they will do is they will perform phagocytosis. By performing phagocytosis, they will take the particular insect the particular food inside, then they digest it. Now, what else do we see here is, so during unfavorable condition, ठीक है, what they do, they forms spore, and these spores are basically distribute spore by air. Okay, so the spores are basically distributed by air. Now we see in vegetative cell of this particular organism, in vegetative cell there is no cell wall present. Okay, there is no cell wall which is present, but spore contain true cell wall which is made up of cellulose. Okay, this cell wall is basically made up of cellulose. Okay, now under favorable condition, they aggregate to form plasmodium. Okay, they aggregate to form plasmodium. इतना लिखिए, फिर हम लोग डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे बिटवीन सेलुलर एंड ए सेलुलर स्लाइम मोल्ड्स के बीच में और उनका प्रॉपर्टी को पढ़ेंगे. ये प्लाज्मोडियम क्या है समझो. क्या यहाँ ये नाम कहीं कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट हुआ? नहीं. क्या ये नाम को अंडरलाइन किया गया? नहीं. मीन्स दिस इज नॉट एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. Your Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium falciparum are protozoans. This word Plasmodium is due to irregular shape of slime mold. ठीक है, ये हम लोगों का प्लाज्मोडियम फैल्सिपरम या प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवेक्स नहीं है. क्लियर है बाबू? ये ओके सर. चलिए नेक्स्ट चीज पे जाएंगे, नेक्स्ट चीज को देखेंगे. तो देखिए हम लोगों का जो ये पार्टिकुलर कैटेगरी है आपका सेलुलर स्लाइम मोल्ड और ए सेलुलर स्लाइम मोल्ड जो है वो दो डिफरेंट टाइप में डिवाइड होता है. वन इज कॉल्ड द ए सेलुलर वन, अनदर इज कॉल्ड द सेलुलर वन. सुनिए सर, इंपॉर्टेंट है, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनेगा सर. तो अगर हम लोग सेलुलर और ए सेलुलर में बात कर रहे हैं सर, तो हम लोगों का दो डिफरेंट टाइप है. चलिए एक एक करके देख लेते हैं दोनों डिफरेंट टाइप को. So the first thing which we see here is, here the particular acellular one, they have haploid nucleus. Okay, and are multi-nucleated in nature. Here they have diploid nucleus and uninucleated. Now they form mix amoeba cells and swarm cells. Okay, both of them are your type of gamete in case of acellular one. They only form mix amoeba cells. Now here the swarm cells are flagellated and which will be not forming them. The next thing which we see here is they have irregular shape, so known as plasmodium. इसीलिए इनको क्या बोलते हैं, प्लाज्मोडियम बोलते हैं. बट इफ यू लुक एट देम हियर, द मिक्स amoeba cells और द सेलुलर स्लाइम मोल्ड, क्योंकि सेलुलर स्लाइम मोल्ड को दे ऑल्सो रेफर एज मिक्स amoeba cell, secrete cyclic AMP and there is acracin, due to which they show chemotropic movement and get aggregated and known as pseudoplasmodium. और इनको क्या बोला जाता है सर, pseudoplasmodium बोला जाता है. So if you are talking about example here, we have example of Physarum or the Physarum and Physaria, which will come here. Here we get the example of Dictyostelium. Okay, so what we are trying to say here is cellular slime mold, they are basically known by the name of Plasmodium. Acellular slime mold and cellular slime mold are basically known by the name of mixed amoeba or pseudoplasmodium. This is important. They are haploid, they are multinucleated. These are diploid and they are uninucleated. This is important and the examples are important in their cases. ठीक है, लिख लीजिए.
Sir,